Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to fix voice chat SDK in Mobile Legends. So before we are going to get this done, I'm just going to tell you that there have been a few methods that I have seen online, but most of them doesn't work. Now, I've tried this one and this one worked for me, so I'm going to teach you. First things first, I want you to go ahead and open your settings. Now here in your settings, I want you to go ahead and look for the apps. Go ahead and open that one, and then we're going to go ahead and click the apps once again. Now here, I want you to go ahead and look for your Mobile Legends. Alright, so there's my Mobile Legends. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. And then we're going to head over to permissions. Now here, as you can see, everything here has been allowed. Now what I'm going to do is just basically deny them. So I'm going to go ahead and click storage, for example. And then I'm going to click the deny button. So I'm going to do this for all the remaining here at the top. So for example, phone and location. Alright, so that's the first thing that I did. Now another thing is we're going to head over for the storage. Now here in the storage, what I'm going to do is scroll down, and for the cache, I'm going to click clear cache, just like so. Now I'm also going to go ahead and do this one for the data. Now take note that if I'm going to do this, that means I'll have to download the resources once again, and it could take a while, so make sure that you are using Wi-Fi when you are doing this one. So again, I'm going to go ahead and click clear data, and then click the OK button down below. Alright, so as you can see, data is now been cleared. Now we're going to go ahead and try to open our Play Store, and I'm going to go ahead and press the update button here. So this is actually very important. Make sure that you update your Mobile Legends. So again, that's the only method that I've found out to have worked in solving this problem. I hope you'll be able to fix yours as well. Go ahead and comment down below if I was able to fix your problem.